welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my October Barbella box unboxing. You guys may have noticed I did not do a September Barbella box unboxing, and the reason for that being is because you can actually choose to skip months for Barbella box. So I decided to skip September. Oftentimes they will post teaser pictures on their Instagram before the skip time, so you can kind of, based on the teasers, decide whether or not you want to skip or not. I forgot to skip in October. I was kind of going to skip again, but I forgot. So here we are with my Barbella box, and I'm ready to unbox it with you. So if you guys are interested in what I got in my October Barbella box, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so Barbella box is a monthly fitness subscription service. It retails for $49.95 per month. Like I said, you do have the option to skip, so you don't have to cancel, but you can skip, and often they'll post 1 to 2 teaser pictures on their Instagram before the skip date, so you can kind of base your decision off of that. I have received, I think, 4 or 5 other Barbella boxes, and honestly I've really only been impressed with about one and a half of them. So we'll see what we got in this box. This feels pretty light, so I don't know. I don't know. That doesn't necessarily mean disappointment, but it's just like the vibe I'm getting. So let's open it up. This is what the inside of the box looks like. You have your little postcard, like, magazine thing here, and this one is National Women's Small Business Month, which is actually kind of cool because I'm all about small businesses and things like that. So it says featuring the best women-owned brands in the industry, and then it gives all of the items that you get in this month's box, which honestly doesn't look like that great of a value, but I'm not judging just yet. And then it gives a little bit of information about, it's looking like about 5 different female small business owners, which is pretty cool. So that being said, let's jump into, these are the first 2 items that I see in the box. So first and foremost, it looks like we got, oh, these might be ankle straps. Are they? Let me just open this up. This is chest fly by tank, headband. These are wrist straps. Okay, so I guess that's kind of cool, although I've never needed wrist straps necessarily at the gym. I've had a need for ankle straps, but anyways, these are little wrist straps. I guess if you use wrist straps, these would be handy for you. I'll see if my husband wants these, but I just don't really have a need for these. These do retail for $24. And then it looks like we have a matching headband to that, which honestly I'm not the biggest fan of fitness headbands. This is what the headband looks like. Ooh, but this is like nice. Ooh, this actually might be a nice one. I just feel like they always slip off my head, but this seems super tight. So this actually, I actually do kind of like this one. I mean, not with like my look right now, but this feels like it's actually gonna stay on the head. So I kind of like this. And this supposedly retails for 22 bucks. That's an expensive headband. Next up, we have a 3-bar. These are vegan, soy-free, gluten-free, and GMO-free. And we got in the flavor Cocoa Crunch. Looks like this. Lucky for you guys, I haven't eaten dinner yet, so I'll give this a little taste-a-roo. This has 232 calories per bar, 11 grams of fat, 38 grams of carbs, and 11 grams of sugar. It has like a peanut buttery taste, but it just honestly has like that chalky taste that I feel like all healthy bars do. So, not really a fan. That retails for $3.50. Next up, it looks like we got a pair of socks, which we did get a pair of socks in the last box that I actually really liked. These are from Fleo, and they were made exclusively for Barbella box. These retail for $14. The only thing I don't like about these is that they aren't ankle socks. So I'll wear these around the house. These are super like compressed, and they're really soft. So I really do like the socks. I just don't typically like mid-calf socks. I have huge calves, so they would look ridiculous on me, but I would wear these around the house. So I'm not mad about these, but like, me. Ooh, next up, this is cute. Okay, next up we got a little beanie, and it has the Barbella logo right here. So this is actually cute. This is gonna look ridiculous since I have like a ponytail on right now. Legitimately looks ridiculous. However, if my hair was down, this would actually be really cute. And I like that it's like black and white marled, so I actually do really enjoy this. And this retails for $14.99. And then finally, it looks like we got a tank top in here. And this retails for, I think it was $42. This is the Release Your Inner Lioness tank. Okay, cool. This like matches. This is cute that they matched a lot of the box. Like the socks, the headbands, and the wrist straps match in this. So I can appreciate like the overall like thought about curating this box. Like there's a lot of thought put into it. So this is what the front of the tank looks like. And then the side has like the color that matches the headband. It's a very like open side. This is what the back looks. This is what the back looks like. So obviously a little bit of like a risque tank. Like it's gonna reveal some things, but it does feel like a very, very nice material, very stretchy, but also like pretty compressed, even though I don't feel like this is one that's like really gonna hug to you. It's more of a flowy tank, but really cute. I actually really like this, and I feel like I will get some wear out of this. So overall, that was the last item in the box. Overall, I'm not disappointed per se in the box, but I'm not like overly excited about it. I think if I had skipped this month, I wouldn't have been mad, but I do like the beanie. I will wear the socks. The headband is like give or take. I might wear that. The tank, I think I will get some use out of. The bar was bleh. And then the wrist straps, I don't necessarily have a use for them, but I'm definitely gonna, maybe someday I will. So it was a decent box. Like I could see why people would really like this box. And again, I think a lot of thought went into like the actual curating of this box. Everything's color coordinated. Even the socks, the colors that they chose for the socks match everything else. So I really appreciate the thought that went into everything that was put into the box. So yeah, you guys will have to let me know if you have ever been subscribed to Barbella Box and what your experience is. Have you been enjoying it? Have you not been enjoying it? Other than that, if there's any other fitness subscription services that you are interested in seeing me reviewing, let me know. I have been subscribed to Muscle Me before, and that was I am interested in Buff Box. But I just feel like I have so many like subscription services going on right now, I can't even keep up. But if there are any that you guys would recommend or are interested in, please do leave them in the comment box below, and I will definitely take those into consideration. Other than that, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so before you go, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!